the Healing Waterfall. Today I would like to guide you on an inner journey to a beautiful healing waterfall, where you can allow yourself to heal physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So please, get comfortable and take a slow, deep breath. Hold it for a moment or two. And then as you release this breath, let your body completely relax. Go ahead and take another slow, deep breath and hold it. And on the out-breath, release any burdens or fears that you may be carrying. And take another deep breath. And on the exhale, allow all your thoughts and worries to float away. Breathe in and notice those thoughts and worries. And breathe out and let them go. Notice how your body becomes heavier and heavier as you relax more and more. Continue to breathe normally now, allowing yourself to relax more with every exhale. As you listen to my words, or you can allow your mind to simply drift into the journey. Now picture the most crystal clear, pure white light that you can imagine, and see it's gently swirling and flowing all around your feet, around and through your toes, swirling up and around your ankles, swirling around your calves, and up over your knees and legs. Feel this pure white light swirling up and around your hips and abdomen. Imagine it swirling around your entire chest as well. Feel the pure light swirl around your fingers and hands, going up your wrists, and up your forearms to your elbows, and going up and over your shoulders. Finally, the light swirls up over around your throat and back of your neck as it goes into your jaw and over your eyes and head. Finally, it goes over the crown of your head, forming itself into a beautiful, clear bubble surrounding your entire body. This bubble of light will provide you with comfort, safety, and perfect protection upon your journey, so that only that which is for your highest good may take place here. Notice how your body feels relaxed and heavy, while your mind seems lighter, all at the same time. Notice yourself becoming lighter, and imagine that bubble of pure white light is gently lifting you up. Feel yourself start to gently float up within the protection of this bubble. As you feel yourself becoming lighter and lighter, as the bubble begins to lift you up, feeling so light that you begin to float up easily above your chair or bed. Imagine looking down at yourself, resting peacefully, as you feel yourself floating up, floating up higher and higher through the ceiling and up into the sky above your home. You're doing wonderfully. Just enjoy that floating feeling now, drifting over your house, seeing your neighborhood, floating higher and further. You can see your whole city now. As you begin traveling over land and waters, how nice it feels to float and drift freely as your bubble carries you above deserts and rolling hills and lush forests. As you float over the land and trees, you notice a beautiful green clearing in the middle of a dense forest, far below you. It catches your attention. Notice the clearing as vivid, lush, grassy area surrounded by forest. This patch of green is beckoning you towards it. And as I count down from 10 to 1, feel yourself begin floating down towards this beautiful hidden valley in the middle of the forest. 10, descending closer. 9, and closer. Feel yourself descending. 8, floating down. 7, gently descending. 6, 5, almost there. 4, 3, down closer. 2, and 1. You lightly touch down. Feel your feet land on solid ground. Go ahead and look around. Look down at your feet and notice your feet on the grass with wildflowers all around you. Smell the fresh, clean air perfumed by those flowers. There are old shade trees surrounding the emerald clearing that you are in, and you can hear a stream winding its way through a nearby forest. Everything about this setting seems perfect, almost magical, as if it had been created just for you. You find yourself walking towards the sound of the flowing water. You can see glimpses of the stream through the trees. Walking over the meadow and into the trees, you see that they are ancient, so tall they almost seem to fade into the sky above, even as they cast shadows across the forest floor. The path beneath your feet is covered with leaves of green and yellow, red and brown, with bright blue and purple wildflowers poking through the rich forest soil. You approach the sparkling stream, cutting through the tall trees and moss-covered rocks. You walk peacefully along the stream, smelling the rich forest air, taking in the sounds and the texture of nature all around you. The silvery brook offers rippling reflections of the blue sky above, and through the surface you can see stones of copper, gray, and gold layered on the stream bed below. Little fish are darting about in the current in search of their breakfast. Just enjoy the feeling of walking along this peaceful stream. Soon you are approaching the source of the stream, and you see a beautiful pool of blue mineral water being fed from a magnificent waterfall coming off the rocks of the mountain above. It's morning here, and everything is bursting with life, rich and resplendent. A soft breeze brushes your face, and you feel a subtle shift in your energy. And as you turn to look at the waterfall, you see that way up at the top is a huge angelic being pouring pure light into the falling water. The light and the water mix, so that by the time they cascade down into the pool below, they've transformed into something between water and light. A golden white healing combination that swirls and sparkles with an energy of its own. As you come closer to the pool beneath the waterfall, you notice a fawn who looks up at you for a moment and then goes back to her drink. And there on the other side is a magnificent blue heron stalking the shallow water's edge. This must be a sacred place, for the wildlife isn't bothered by your presence in the least, and everything is so peaceful and serene. A fallen log nearby makes a perfect spot to sit, as you quietly remove your shoes and clothing, preparing to immerse yourself in the mineral pool. And as you dip your toe in the water, you find it's the perfect temperature, and the bottom is smooth and even, making it easy to wade into. As you step slowly forward, immersing your feet and feeling the water move over your ankles, over your calves and knees. As you go deeper into this healing pool of water and light, soon you're up to your waist, letting your hands sweep softly back and forth in the water, so relaxing and soft. You notice that as your hands move through the water, swirls of water and golden light spread through the pool in little ripples and eddies. The pool is deep enough that you can easily dip fully below its surface, and the current here is slow and languid, making the ideal place to relax and let go. Looking up at the waterfall, you see the angel once again, still pouring light into the water. It seems as if she has been there forever, and your breath catches for a moment as she meets your gaze. You can see compassion and love in her eyes as she looks at you. She makes eye contact with you directly. She sees you and knows you've come to receive her blessings through the healing waters, and she welcomes you to her world. If you like, allow yourself to float on your back and feel your whole body embraced by the light-filled water in the blue mineral pool, as it seems to cradle and invite you to feel totally relaxed and free. Soon you can hear the angel above begin to sing into the waterfall and to the forest, into the earth, the sky, and to you. Her heart opens wide, and the golden light of love comes pouring out. Her love seems to come from the very source of all creation. Her blessings are resonating everywhere within you, bringing harmony to every cell in your body, until every cell vibrates with love and vitality. Take some time to open, listen, and receive. Before long, you notice that her song has called forth 4 more angelic beings, now at your head, feet, and on either side of you, as you continue to float in this healing pool. They're helping to channel positive, loving energy into your body and mind and heart, bringing you into greater and greater harmony with your body and the world around you. Everything seems to be vibrating in harmony now. The earth, sky, water, and you, until all is one. All is vibration. Taking some time to simply be at peace now, feeling that you are truly one with the vibration of the universe. There is no separation between you and the ocean of energy around you. Allow whatever is not needed to dissolve and dissipate into the healing waters. If there is any part of you that you feel needs particular attention, see the water's essence flowing there now, touching into the very nucleus of each cell and leaving it filled with pure, vital, healing energy. Go ahead and head towards that waterfall where it's coming down and entering the pool. And step beneath the waterfall. Let it shower down over you with light and water, sparkling down over you and around you. And you'll notice this water and light flows right through you as well. Feel the sparkling water washing through your body, dissolving disease and impurities and negativities, washing them out of your body, softening stiff ideas and rigid beliefs. Allow the waterfall of light to purify your mind and body. Notice difficult emotions in your body as colors, and see the colors get washed away by the waterfall flowing through you, allowing it to wash away whatever is not needed. Just let it go. You're doing so well. It will soon be time to begin your return home. Go ahead and slowly swim over to the edge of the pool and gently lift yourself out of the water. Finding your clothes, you'll see that even they seem to be fresh and new. And with them, you can put on any new self-image that you wish. And then when you're ready, take a deep breath and look around. You'll find a path leading out of the forest. And upon stepping on this path, you can sense the cool, peaceful feeling in the air. You feel so light and refreshed. As you look above you at the canopy of trees, seeing their leaves form beautiful patterns against the sky, and glimmers of sunlight shine down through the trees to the forest floor and illuminate a carpet of rich moss studded with all manner of wildflowers. And again you can smell the forest and the flowers in the air as you walk along the path. As you walk, you notice the pebbles upon this path become a vivid blue color. As your gaze falls upon this color, you can feel a deep peace begin to settle into your mind and body. You can feel yourself relax even more as the blue permeates your being. A sense that everything is okay. feel its cool serenity soothe and calm your mind. Like cloudy water settling into clarity. This state of being allows your mind to be clear, and from this clarity, wisdom naturally arises. As you continue on this forest path, the pebbles become a deep, rich purple, the color of transformation. Imagine yourself being surrounded and filled with the color purple, awakening a sense of awe and wonder at the mystery of the world, and connecting you with your own sense of spirituality and humbleness in the face of the divine all around you. You can sense the mystery of the divine in the shaft of sunlight coming through the trees, or the leaf gently falling to the ground. Walking further, the pebbles turn a deep emerald green, and all around you, the plants and trees richly display this color of health and abundance. Take a moment to bask in the presence of this emerald green color and allow it to awaken in you health and abundance on all levels. Take a moment to feel the energy of those emerald stones amid the living forest around you. All around you can feel life and abundance. Allow yourself to appreciate it. Continuing to walk further, the pebbles become orange, the color of warmth and enthusiasm. The pebbles are so beautifully orange they seem to be actually glowing softly as you walk on them. An orange glow now surrounds your body, and with the orange aura comes an abundant sense of happiness and energized excitement. Full of energy and abundance, you continue walking. The pebbles turn a brilliant golden yellow, the color of happiness, joy, and positivity. And as you walk on these brilliant yellow pebbles, you can feel their energy lifting your spirits and filling you with feelings of happiness and joy. And as the yellow energy seeps into every cell of your body, as you walk along the path toward the clearing that is now visible through the trees, and as you walk along, you now notice that your path is composed of pebbles that are the brilliant color red. Red is the color of strength and vitality, and with each step, the vitality of the color red flows up into your feet and throughout your entire body, leaving you stronger and full of life's energy than before. You can feel the energy and strength increasing with each step on the red pebbled path. You feel so alive and awake as you come to the clearing in the forest once again. And as you stand in the clearing, you soon feel the crystal clear white light swirling around your feet and up over your body, a bubble of light surrounding you and protecting you. Know that this place is one that exists inside of you, and that you can return to it whenever you like. Feel the bubble of light lift you gently into the air, going higher and higher, above the meadow, over the forest and the waterfall, floating through the sky until you find your way back to the place where your journey began. Flying over land and water until you see your city and neighborhood and your home. Let all the benefits of this experience stay with you, feeling clear and energized as you float back down into your body. Feel your body becoming energized as well, noticing sensations and awareness as you begin to awaken.